5 best websites that pay you for data entry jobs in 2025 work from home. Hey everyone, welcome back to Norbipol TV. If you're looking for real ways to earn money online by doing simple data entry jobs, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 legit websites that actually pay you to do data entry work. No experience needed. If you're new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button to get more video like this. Let's begin. 1. ClickWorker. A platform that hires independent workers to complete micro tasks. Tasks include text creation, categorization, data entry, web research, product labeling, and more. Advantages of this website are flexible working hours, available globally, free to join, pays via PayPal. How to get started? Getting started. Sign up at www.clickworker.com. Complete your profile and take short assessments. Get access to tasks based on your performance. 2. Microworkers. This website offers micro jobs including data entry, form filling, product categorization, and more. Tasks usually take just a few minutes. Advantages of this website are global accessibility, easy approval process, low minimum withdrawal, pays via PayPal and Skrill. How to getting started? Visit www.microworkers.com. Sign up for an account. Start completing simple database tasks. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform. You can create a gig offering data entry services starting at $5. Advantages of this website. You set your own prices and services. High earning potential. Trusted platform with millions of buyers. Secure payment system. How to get? Getting started. Visit www.fiverr.com. Create a gig like, I will do fast and accurate data entry. Add a professional profile and samples of your work. Increase your prices and earn even more. 4. Upwork. Upwork is a platform for professional freelancers. You can apply for projects in data entry, virtual assistant roles, Excel work, etc. Advantages of this website: more serious, higher paying clients, long-term contracts available. Upwork handles secure payment processing. Disadvantages: slightly competitive. Requires a complete profile and proposals to apply for jobs. How to getting started? Visit www.upwork.com. Build a strong profile. Submit proposals for data entry projects. 5. Remo Tasks. A tasking platform used to train AI systems. Tasks include data entry, labeling images, transcription, categorization, and more. Advantages of this website: free training provided, daily tasks available, paid weekly via PayPal. How to getting started? Visit www.remotasks.com. Sign up and complete the onboarding courses. Begin tasks immediately after training. Finally, all 5 platforms are real and paying in 2025. Anyone can try them, no degree needed. Some platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, may require a more professional setup, while others, ClickWorker, Microworkers, are more casual. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.